a pepper.
My cat is eating a friggin' pepper.
I've never seen her so interested in something.
That's wild. And it's a fairly hot pepper.
Scale of 1 to 10, 7.5.
Oh my gosh. Kinda
Oh
weird.
my god.
It's like she's eating.
Obsessed with it. She really likes it.
Yeah, we were thinking it's like candy.
No.
Oh my god. She's like biting it.
I think Paige picked the thing that she didn't think Jinx would really eat.
I don't think she was.
She's wolfing it down.
I thought she'd turn her nose up on it.
Yeah.
No, she's chowing down on it.
She's a vegetarian. You done?
Oh.
Should I take it away? You done? No? No?
Bring it here. She can eat it.
Oh my god.
She's using her back teeth.
Oh my god.
That's gone, Funka.
Oh my god.
Can't wait till she poops that out.
Dad.
Wonderful.
Well, this doesn't hurt coming out.
For a cat. The relative size. It'd be like you eating a pepper as big as Bryce's torso.
You finished? You done now? What?
Look up and maybe make sure I get the joke.
Oh,
Look at her. She's right down to nothing.
That was good, Grandma. Oh my God.
you are
Let's
the
see what
weirdest
happens
cat.
now. Let's see what happens now.
You are the weirdest
Were
cat.
there seeds in it?
Yeah. She's not so long.
But she ate some seeds.
She's alive.
Look at her.
Look at that. It's down to the nub.
Pick on the cripple. That is interesting. It's not bugging her. Well, she's looking.
Yeah.
Finally, finally something tastes good.
She still sees it. She wants it. She's looking at it.
Oh my god.
She's addicted.
She's a pepperaholic.
She's still looking.
Pepper.
Okay.
What does she want? Is there another whole pepper in the other pizza?
No, Paige already ate that one.
I did. I
saw
didn't think
it.
anybody liked them but me. And apparently Jinx.
Does she want some more? I think
Yeah,
she
she
wants
does.
more.
Oh, there's your seeds.
Oh, it got on her or something. Oh, you can lick them, but if it gets on you, you're all freaked out.
She's stepping around it.
I'm going to explore it.
No, she doesn't
I
have
don't
it.
have any more.
Yeah, she's spinning around. She'll get one.
If you hold this for me, I'll eat it.
Are you finished with it? She's killed this one. She wants another one. Because all the... I used
She eats pickle.
She's looking at you. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Thank you. You are the weirdest cat. Is Paige getting a pickle?
Oh, I don't think so.
Jinx, say bye.